her dance. Bands to make her dance. Bands to make her dance.
I'm doing this at home workout by Jennifer Babe. Yeah, Jennifer Babe. It's at home Pilates board workout, 20-minute full body burn. So far so good. I don't hate it per se, but I didn't imagine it to be as what can I say, as tough as it sounds, like from people who are like, oh, Pilates. Okay, the ones with the instructors, yes, but I didn't expect the at-home ones to be that intense. For me, they're intense because, as you know, I'm not a gym babe and all, but we're going to get through this. I want to start with like a 28-day challenge, and then from there we can now advance. Once I get the rhythm of it, now tunaweza fikiria kama we can join a Pilates class. But for now, I don't really mind doing the at-home workouts. Hopefully by tomorrow, mwili haitakuwa inaniuma that much. Currently, it's midday. It's already midday. My little brother is here, so tutajua chenye tutafanya by then. So let's finish out the workout and then yeah, we figure out the food situation first. Yeah.
Got 24 seconds and it's starting right now.
So we are heading. I decided to go to Kamukunji because, as you all know, I've always wanted to change my bedroom curtains, and I was like, this is the perfect time. I have someone to take me there, also help me choose, because sometimes decisions can be a bit overwhelming here and there. So yeah, we're going to Kamukunji to check on the curtains and also the curtain rods, because I want the curtains to go like wall to wall, just to give the big window kind of look. So I'll need to change the curtain rod. Actually, that reminds me, I need to measure the length. I not done that, so I'm going to do that right now. And then I'm thinking to go in the theme of something, the shades of green, so that there can be something of like a cohesion between the rooms. Saki kwetu hapa it's too green, and then the other one haina, like it's not going to be too green everywhere, just some cohesion, like some elements here and there. So for that room, I'm going to do like some greenish type curtains. If I don't get that, it means I'll have to pick another color, and probably I'll need to change my wall art, and I've already chosen my wall art, so that's going to be stressful. So fingers crossed, we're going to get the green curtains. But here's my quick OTD. So for OTD, I have on this white basic t-shirt and then some leggings that I got from Nira. This one is like a 3-piece set. I think these are one of those very, very early sets of Nira. And then for shoes, I have on these ballet, what should I call them? Whatever they are, I got them from Tree. And then my bag, I have on this sling bag that I got from Momo Closet. Yeah. Na hii kofia, of course, ni zile za towels, zile za kumwaga tu, the normal ones. So basically that's my outfit of the day. Let me go measure the window and then we head out. Yeah.
Got me all up in my feels, and
I'm no kind of lazy, I be trying to play, but lately I just wanna keep it real, real. No more playing safe, let's take it all the day. I'm just saying, I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you, like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you, know I was sign on the line for you. Bet I look nice when you open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. What you wait for? What you wait for? Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. What you wait for? What you wait for? Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get. Tonight I wanna get. Promise I'ma give it to you like you never had it. I do it so good, it's gonna be hard to break the habit. You're like a whole constellation, swimming like you on vacation. Promise I'm still gonna love you when you wake up in the AM. I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you, like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you, know I was 10 on the line for you. Bet I look nice when you open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Wait for, wait for, wait for. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Tonight I wanna get. Oh yeah, know the vibes, I don't waste no time. So what's on your mind, make it real life. Get all the homies to bounce out, sit from the bed to the couch, and get to know how I'm feeling inside. Someone know the nights and words so sweet, but so I behave, but boy, I believe my body's gotta say something to you. 'Cause I'm ready to honestly. True, don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Wait for, wait for, wait for. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Wanna get. Tonight I wanna get.
So it's dinner time and we just decided that we want to have pilau. I already have the beef boiling and I want to start like meal prepping. There's not really much to it. We'll just be making like the pilau, maybe some pili and some stew, maybe kachumbari to go with it. And I wanted to show you guys how I make my pilau. No judgments, like this is how I make mine, so please take it or leave it or love it, but most especially I hope you're going to love it. So let's get into meal prepping. Yeah.
Tell your girlfriend that you see Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead. Cutie the bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I could tell you rock, I could tell by your charm. Fars girls, you got a flock, I could tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she have an ass like Serena, Trina, Gina, for Lopez, 4 kids, and I gotta take all they badass to showbiz. Okay, get your kids, but then they got their friends. I put up in the bins, they all got.
Let me show you what I'm going to use for the stew, separate or rojo, whatever you want to call it, guys. So we're going to use some pawpaw, some tomatoes, a carrot, green chili, of course, some soy sauce, and then I'm going to use a piece of lemon. And then the secret ingredient that I use normally is tamarind. Normally I use the normal one, but I think this is the sweet one. So what I'm going to do to this, I'm going to take a portion of it and then soak it, get the juice, and then blend it with everything. Oh, I forgot. I'm also going to use some of these onions and pilau masala. Yeah, so let me show you guys that real quick.
Drive off in a Hyundai. She was supposed to buy your shorty Tyco with your money. She went to the doctor, got lipo with your money. She walk around looking like Michael with your money. Shoulda got that insured Geico for your money. Money. If you ain't no punk, holla, we want prenup. We want prenup, yeah. It's something that you need to have. Cause when she leave your ass, she gon' leave with half. 18 years, and on her 18th birthday, found out it wasn't his. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas, Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas, Get down, girl.
For our kachumbari, we have some red onions, some dania, tomatoes, cucumbers, and then I'm going to add a slice, a little bit of some lemon. Yeah, I think I'm going to add lemon, a pinch of salt, and probably, I think I'm going to leave it at that. But also I'm contemplating if I want to do the ndimu or if I want to do some dressing. I have a favorite dressing. Let me show you. This dressing, this particular salad dressing is my favorite. So normally, if I don't want to do I usually add this dressing and then I add a little bit of vinegar, but I'm not sure if I have vinegar. I've been looking everywhere for it na sioni, so I'm contemplating about that. So nikipata, we shall add this dressing. If not, we shall just add a little bit of some lemon and salt, and then we leave it at that. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section below how you guys make your pilaus, or if there's a particular way or a particular thing I can change on how I make my pilau or my rojo, and then we shall try it your way and then I'll let you know. Otherwise, this is how I make mine and I love it, but I am also open to learning new things, as you know. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Let me just finish up on the tiny bit part of this, of finding my vinegar, that is.
Go ahead, get down, get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down, get down, girl, go ahead. Now I ain't saying you a gold digger, you got needs. You don't wanna do the smoke, but he can't buy weed. You go out to eat, he can't pay, y'all can't leave. His dishes in the back, you gotta roll up your sleeves. But while y'all washing, watch him. He gon' make it to a Benz out of that Datsun. He got that ambition, baby. Look at his eyes. This week he mopping floors, next week is the fries. So stick by his side. I know his dudes ballin', and yeah, that's nice. And they gon' keep calling and trying, but you stay right, girl. And when he get on, he leave your ass for a white girl. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead. Let me hear that back.